Good morning, students. I hope you have completed all the assignments for the lesson The Earth, the Living Planet, part of Geography. Students, let's start a new topic that is political science. And in this political science, we are going to learn meaning and importance of political science. Students, the points what we are going to discuss in this lesson are concept of political science, development in political science, political thinkers and their contributions, importance of political science. Students, when I said the word political science, you may think what is political science and what is the meaning of political science. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. It deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institution. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science. Student, please watch the video of what is political science and the nature of the political science for your better understanding.
Social science is a major category of academic disciplines concerned with society and the relationships among individuals within a society. It in turn has many branches, each of which is considered a social science. The main social sciences include psychology, economics, law, political science, human geography, demography and sociology. In a wider sense, social science also includes some fields in the humanities such as anthropology, archaeology, jurisprudence, history, and linguistics. The term is also sometimes used to refer specifically to the field of sociology, the original science of society, established in the 19th century. Positivist social scientists use methods resembling those of the natural sciences as tools for understanding society, and so define science in its stricter modern sense. Interpretivist social scientists, by contrast, may use social critique or symbolic interpretation rather than constructing empirically falsifiable theories, and thus treat science in its broader sense. In modern academic practice, researchers are often eclectic, using multiple methodologies, for instance, by combining the quantitative and qualitative techniques. The term social research has also acquired a degree of autonomy as practitioners from various disciplines share in its aims and methods.
Hello friends, welcome to School of Political Science. Today our topic is what is political science? Political science is the systematic study of the government, politics, political power, humans' political behavior, international relations, international law, comparative politics, public administration, etc. Political science often defined as who gets what, when, where and how. Now, question is why we call this discipline as a science or what type of science that we see in this discipline. Human beings can be divided into two broad categories. One is natural science and second is social science. While natural science deals with the physical world, social science deals with the human beings, their collective social life, social behavior, organizations and activities. Political science is a social science which is concerned with the political aspect of social man, and its subject matter is political institutions, political process, political activities, political behavior, etc. It is related to other social sciences such as history, economics, sociology, psychology, ethics, etc. Definition. According to the Oxford Concise Dictionary of Politics, political science as a study of the state, government and politics. Politics is a process of collective choice, resolving disagreements and reaching decisions through persuasion, bargaining, discussion, and compromise. These definitions given by Whaley. To Laxwell, politics is who gets what, when, and how. According to David Easton, politics is the authoritative allocations of values. Actually, there are a lot of definitions of political science. These are some of them. Subject matter of political science. These are the subject matter of political science: state and government, political theory and political thoughts, comparative politics, international relations and law, constitutions and law of the state, public administration, political dynamics, political behavior of individual, and etc. Later we will make videos for each subject matter. Significance of political science, or why we study political science. All human beings are political and social animals. A bunch of individuals clustering together is a natural phenomenon manifesting out of the need for cooperation and collective security. But what makes human organizations distinct is the tendency to use collective strength as an instrument to perpetual search of better life. Secondly, the complex processes of conflicts, cooperation and integration within a group. And thirdly, the distinct features of evolving cluster of clusters, a larger organization as an umbrella body to multitude of smaller clusters. The importance of political science lies in the fact that all of us live within political systems and we are affected by the changes in the global political economy. With the advent of globalization, there has been a concomitant rise in the interest taken by the people of the world in understanding the political system of other countries. Hence, political scientists became valued and important as they provide the lens through which we can understand the global political economy. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.
Students, I hope you have understood what is political science. Now, let's move on to further things. Plato is called father of political philosophy, but Aristotle is called father of political science because Plato's ideas or philosophy was not possible to implement. It was only based on philosophy or and idealized, where Aristotle was based on experience and somehow could be implemented. Why is Aristotle called the father of political science? We can say that Aristotle laid the foundation of a real political science by his keen and practical political approach and systematic treatment of the subject. He may be called the scientist of politics because of his empirical study. Even Kautilya's work on economics also has more information about political principles. Kautilya or Chanakya or Vishnugupta was prime minister under the reign of Chandragupta Maurya, founder of the Mauryan Empire. He is best known as the author of political treatise Arthashastra, which he wrote as a kind of instructional manual for the young Chandragupta and how to rule effectively. Even few things we are following in present. situations also. Arthashastra is on economic administration was written by Kautilya in the 4th century before Christ. It consists of 15 chapters, 380 shlokas and 4968 sutras. In all probability, this treatise is the first ever book written on practice of management. It is essentially on the art of governance and has an instructional tone. Students, political science, occasionally called politology, is a social science which deals with system of governance and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts, associated constitutions, and political behavior. Political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, and rights and duties of the citizens. Political science is study of all facets of state. Origin of the word politics. Greek used the term politics for the study of state. The term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city, state, and therefore a subject which deals with the affairs of city state, and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. However, in modern times, scholars have preferred to use the term political science for this study. Political science is also the study of past, present, and future of political institutions, political functions, and political theories. The study of state, government, and human political activities is called as political science. Students, these are the points what we have discussed today. The origin of the word politics and the father of political science. All these things we have studied in this session. In the next session, we are going to study the importance of political science. Next session will be the second and last session of topic meaning and importance of political science. Students, read the lesson and go through the video once again so for the better understanding of the topic. So in the next session we are going to discuss about the importance of political science. Till the time, have a nice day students. Thank you.